This BMW X5 came in, customer said. Brakes feel weird. I checked it. Brake pads? Gone. Take the plastic cup out. Use a T45. Take out the two bolts that hold the caliper. Take out the front clips, use a screwdriver to pop them out. Metal on metal. Rotors. Already damaged. I got this from TikTok shop, a brake caliper compressor. I work great. New pads. That sound, that was the warning. They waited too long. What could have been a simple brake job turned into more parts and more cost. Don't ignore brake noise. Those guide bolts were seized. Make sure to put brake grease. Put the new brake pads, make sure you clip to the caliper. Put back the caliper, make sure it line up. Put back the front clips and everything in a reverse order. Make sure to torque everything to safe order. Gotta do a quick oil change. It takes 6.5 quarts of oil. Use special oil filter remover. Don't get your oil dirty like this. Take the cap off and take out the oil filter. Make sure you get a rag to catch the oil that drips. Make sure to change the 2 rubber gaskets and crash washer on the pan. Fill up the oil with 6.5 quarts start. The car up, use the dash to measure the oil level and need a scan tool to reset the oil life.
Thanks for watching B Auto Mechanic and EV Rescue. Real repairs, real solutions, real mechanics. Don't forget to subscribe and check out the next video.